This is the most irresistible broccoli recipe that you'll never get tired of eating. Let's start by removing the stem from a whole broccoli. This step is crucial to make sure the entire broccoli is used in the recipe. Now, transfer the pieces to a bowl, add water, and let them soak for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the other ingredients. First, dice an onion into small cubes. It will bring an amazing flavor to our recipe. Next, heat a little oil in a frying pan. We'll sauté the onion until it turns golden and releases that delicious aroma. While the onion is browning, cut a carrot into small cubes as well. I love recipes with carrots. Do you have any carrot recipes you recommend? I'd love to know. Now, add the carrot to the frying pan, letting it brown with the onion so the flavors combine. Next, finely chop a clove of garlic and add it to the pan. The smell of the garlic browning will make everyone's mouth water. Now add a tablespoon of tomato sauce to the pan and stir well. This touch will bring amazing color and flavor to the dish. Grab the broccoli that was soaking and cut it into smaller pieces. This will help it mix better with the other ingredients. Transfer the broccoli pieces to the pan and stir everything together. You'll see how perfectly the flavors blend. Now it's time to season. Add a teaspoon of salt, a little oregano, and a teaspoon of paprika. Stir well and let it cook for a few more minutes so all the flavors come together. When it's ready, take it off the heat. In another bowl, let's prepare the creamy mixture that will give that special touch. Crack 2 eggs and beat well. Now, add some grated white cheese and then grate 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. We can transfer it to the bowl and mix everything until smooth. Next, add 150 milliliters of milk and keep mixing until you get a creamy, flavorful consistency. Now it's time to combine the two parts. Transfer the frying pan mixture to a baking dish and slowly add the egg and cheese mixture. Gently mix everything, then place it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. While the dish bakes, let's prepare a special sauce to accompany it. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 finely chopped garlic cloves, and a handful of fresh parsley. Stir well until it's all combined. This sauce will give an incredible touch to our recipe. After 45 minutes, it's time to take our dish out of the oven. Look at that deliciousness. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to let me know what you think and where you're watching from. See you next time and enjoy your meal.